Hello friends, welcome to Suman Technical Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to fix rigid body meshes exploding in Blender. If you have ever created a scene with multiple rigid bodies and suddenly seen them fly apart or behave unpredictably, don't worry, it's a common issue. Today I will show you how to fix that and we will understand why it happened. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is the perfect scene that describes our exact problem. If you play the animation, you will see that these cubes are exploding even though there is no physics related to explosion. It's just plain rigid body physics and yet they are exploding. So why does this problem exactly occur? There are three main reasons behind that. The first and foremost reason, they have common origin. If you look closely, you will see that all of these cubes have one common origin to this mesh. And this is why the engine reacts in unpredictable ways. The second reason is very common, which is overlapping faces. If you look closely, you will see that all of them have overlapping faces, due to which the physics engine gets confused. In Blender, you cannot have any overlapping faces. And if you do have them, the engine tries to fix that as soon as possible, due to which the objects go away from each other, making everything explode. And the third reason is the collision shape. We are going to discuss this afterward. So first let's get over the first problem, which is common origin. For that, I'm going to select every cube I have. Then I will go and right click and set origin to center of mass volume. Before you do this, please make sure that your meshes are separate. And after that, if you play the animation, still things aren't fixed because there are two more problems that we have to get over. The next thing we need to do is fix the overlapping faces. Let's go ahead and select all of them again. And now we will go and click on transform pivot point. There, click on individual origins and then press Ctrl S and scale them down. Don't scale them too much. You have to actually enter a value that is very less, like 0.999. This ensures that there is a little bit space between each of them and you won't be able to see them in normal conditions. Now if you play the animation, you will see that the problem has fixed a lot. And now I hope you understand what exactly Blender physics does when there are overlapping faces. The next thing that we need to address is the collision shape. The collision shape should always be mesh when there is some complex object, and if it's just a simple cube like you see here, keep the shape at convex hull. And just when you do that, press F3 to copy from active, and now you will see that your objects are behaving normal. They are not going to change their position until and unless some external force is striking them. And we can check that by adding here a UV sphere. Let's scale it up and we will give rigid body physics to it, and let's keep the mass very high. And now let's play our animation. Now you can see that the physics actually works, but they are not exploding like before on their own. So I hope this solved your problem. So that was all for today. Hope you like this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.